Welcome back to JMade Creative. I'm Julian and this is my studio. And on this video, we're going to be attaching the Iron Giant to this base while also adding the lights and the smoke. So, the plan. First, we need to drill a hole in the feet of the Iron Giant and the lid of the can. We're then going to epoxy the wires in place on the feet and the can. We're going to then glue the lights down the wires, and then we're going to glue the smoke and kind of sculpt the smoke around the base and around the wires so it looks like he's taking off. And then we have to cut a hole in the bottom of the base so that we have a place to reach the switches here for the lights. And then we should be done. So let's get going. All right, so we have the lights attached to the feet and the wires, but next we actually have to prepare the Iron Giant's head. So when the lights are on in this, it's thin plastic, so his whole head kind of glows, and I don't like that. So we're gonna put some black paint in there, and then I'm gonna use some epoxy sculpt to fill out his chin. In the movie, his whole chin is filled right here, and that'll help because his head's turned up. And so I want that to be a little more correct. So we'll do that, and then we're going to add the smoke. And finally, we are at the end. The Iron Giant is rocketing off to face that missile, and it looks awesome. It's a great daytime display, and it's a even better nighttime display. It looks fantastic in the dark. The camera, it's really difficult to do it justice. You just have to see a display like this in person. So if you build one, whether it be Iron Giant or another one, I want to see it. And please, let me know what you think in the comments. We'll see you next time.